SHS Tech Solutions. Today, in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is find the length of the string. What we discuss on today, find length of the string using JavaScript. This is the output. How to write this code, I will explain each and everything step by step. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today, find length of the string using JavaScript. Okay, here I'm creating only HTML file. So we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. 18 and 15. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 and 15. I'm write small CSS for this. Okay, and this is the output 15 and 18. So guys, this is the process to write the final length of the string using JavaScript. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, PHP, MySQL, and digital marketing tools like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.